Now we will learn about the last important concept, the generalization. Attributes, operations, associations and aggregations that are specified for a general class, so-called superclass, are passed on to their subclasses. Every instance of a subclass is simultaneously an indirect instance of the superclass. A subclass inherits all characteristics, associations, aggregations of the superclass, except private ones. A subclass may have further characteristics or associations and aggregations. On the top right side of the slide, you see the superclass person with the 4 subclasses: employee, student, professor and secretary. All generalizations are transitive. This means a secretary is a person and an employee. Employee is also a superclass of professor and secretary. The special case of generalization is the construct of an abstract class. It is used to highlight common characteristics of their subclasses, but it ensures that there are no direct instances of the superclass. Only its non-abstract subclasses can be instantiated. It is useful in the context of generalization relationships. An abstract class is indicated by the keyword abstract in curved brackets, or the class name is written in italics. For example, you have 2 different classes, man and woman. Normally they both have a name and a birth date. This is why you can use an abstract class person which holds the attributes name and birth date. As you know that there will not be any person object, you should choose it to be abstract. UML allows multiple inheritance. This means that a class may have multiple superclasses. For example, a tutor is both an employee and a student. In some programming languages, this construct is not possible, and you need another concept. A typical best practice is that a person is an abstract class because there are many different types of persons, but each person has a name, address, date of birth and a social security number. Student, research associate and administrative employee are persons. You can even build a superclass for employees of the university. It may occur that there is an employee without a special function. This is why we do not model it as abstract. It is possible that there are also employee objects.